Hi friends, it is time to do the practice set for lesson 17, adding columns of numbers with regrouping. And man, we have got a lot to do. Whew, look at this, guys. First off, when we're adding lots of numbers, please do your best to keep it tidy. We're going to try a couple of different ways to add long strings of numbers. And you will kind of experiment with this and see what works best. 5 plus 6 is 11. Do you know, I'm going to put a little dot right here. That's going to tell me that I've got a 10. I'm going to keep that 10 there, and then I have 11. So I'm going to take the 1 from the 11. 1 plus 9 is 10. That gives me another dot. And then 0 plus 7, I take and put that right there. So I know that when I add up all of these numbers, it's 27. So I carry my 2 to the tens column. 9 plus 4 is 13. So there's a 10. I take the 3 from the 13 plus 2 is 5. And then 5 plus 4 is 9. And then 9 plus 2 is 11. So I put the 1 from the 11, and I have 2 dots. That means that I have 2 in the hundreds column. So that is Mrs. Dawes' little dot scenario. You can try it. If it works, great. If not, let's try a different way. We know that, let's see, we'll go and we can just say, we know that 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 5 is 20. So we take our 0 and plunk it here, and then we put our 2 up here. We know that 4 plus 6, let's see, I'm going to write this right here. 4 plus 6 is 10, and we know that 10 plus 2 is 12, and then we're going to add our other 2. 12 plus 2 is 14, and we put our 4 right here and our 1 right here. So that is another method. Sometimes it's nice to have this because sometimes I get things mixed up in my head. This is me adding upward in this direction and upward in this direction, these columns. We're going to try another way, and you guys can experiment. There is not a wrong way on this. The only thing that you have to make sure is that you are doing it really, in this way, we went this direction. So in this, you just need to make sure that you're being accurate. So let's go, we're gonna add going down. 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 5 is 19. So we take our 9, put it in the ones, take this one and drop it in the tens. 3 plus 7 is 10, my favorite digit. Plus 1 is 11, so I take the 1 here and I carry over to the hundreds. 4 plus 1 is 5. And finally, I'm just going to write the answer. And you see if your answer matches my answer. There we have it, guys. Please continue working hard on the homework set. If you have any problems, let me know. And you can do this. You got this, guys.